86 words per minute. Okay, so now with the typing test done, just wanted to point out a few things about this keyboard. First off, the right shift button is a bit small. So if you're someone who likes to use your pinky to press that button, just note that you might have to get used to that. Another thing to note is that the numpad is really interesting. It's the first time I've seen a numpad like this. It's like very compressed here. And so there's actually two enter buttons here and here. I feel like this could be a bit redundant. Also, another thing to note is that you have two of these backward slashes here and here. In the BIOS, you are able to switch this and this if you want. So the Alt and this button here. Another thing to note is that the control is pretty big. Usually they would fit the FN key here instead of on this side. So that is pretty unique to this keyboard as well. And yeah, the thing that irks me the most is this shift key right here. I use it to like capitalize. But yeah, aside from that, I think the keyboard layout is just fine. Something I do wish they did was also maybe move the FN key here, and then move the spacebar a bit to the right so that you can fit that FN key, and then make it so that these arrow keys here correspond to like page up and page down, and then end and then home. So I think that would be pretty nice, because then you can click the FN key and then use the page up and page down on this side. Yeah, other than that, what else? Oh yeah, you can lock. So by default, these don't correspond. These correspond to the to those action buttons that you see on the function keys. And then if you want to make it so that the like F9, F10 are the default, then you can hold FN and then click ESC. And then if you see this light up, then that means that this is now the default. So now FN, so if you press F5, for example, it will actually press F5 instead of the mute microphone button. Alright, I think that is all I have to say about the keyboard. Yeah, I feel like this area here could definitely be improved. So like larger shift, you don't need this enter key here, so this could have been removed. You can make this 0 to be like the same size as this key, and then you could have moved the arrow key a bit to the right, then make it so you could get a full-size shift key right here. So I feel like they dropped the ball on this keyboard layout in some ways. Alright, that's it for me. Thanks for watching, bye.